Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adine. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and you hit that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Also, if you're OG, triple OG, original gangster to my channel, thank you so much for sticking around and coming back for another video. So today's video, as you can tell, it is a Fendi nail design tutorial. Fendi is like popping right now, so I wanted to do a cute little design on some nails. And yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so don't mind Monica, she's looking mighty ashy, but this is my silicone hand and the base color that I use is number 626 and I apply that on all 4 fingers. And then for the F, the design for Fendi, I use 629, which is a deeper brown. But then you will see later on that I decided to change it to a black. And then of course, top and matte top coat. Here I'm showing you how I did the F Fendi design with the brown, but then I realized, I'm like, is the Fendi logo brown or black? I couldn't really tell, so I was like, you know what, I think black will be a little bit better and make it pop more. So I decided to actually switch over to a black gel polish. So here I'm going over the design with black and my thin striping brush. And you guys, this was not the easiest. Like, it's easy, but it's not. I shake, so it was so hard for me to keep my hand steady to draw some freaking lines, but somehow I managed to do it. So I'm just gonna let you guys see how I did the design. I was going just back and forth between the picture, my reference picture that I found online. I just went into Google and typed in Fendi design, and then a whole bunch of, you know, Fendi like bags and shirts and stuff came up, and I just followed the design. Alright, so here I'm just doing the final touches, putting some on the side so it doesn't look like empty. And then I decided to do a matte top coat. So I decided to put matte on the middle finger and the ring finger. And you guys will see that towards the end of the video, how it looks nice and matte. And of course, you guys, you know, it wouldn't be one of my nail tutorials if I didn't add some type of sprinkle, some type of bling or some type of, you know, sparkle to the nail. Some here, I'm using my katana brush, some little rhinestones. They were like $1. And then my diamond gel. I really love this gel because your rhinestones will literally stay on forever. So I did the pointy end of my katana into the gel, and I will be applying the gel around the top of the nail, and then I will be placing some rhinestones around that area. And then also I decided to put one single rhinestone on the pinky and then do a glossy top coat on the index finger and pinky, and then that basically completes the nail tutorial. Of course, you know, I added some oil to the cuticle and cleaned up my Monica so she doesn't look so ashy. And that basically completes the look, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Comment down below what else or what other nail design you would like me to do. I'm planning on changing the shape of her nail, making it a little bit longer so I can do more cool designs. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.